Community Renewal International is changing the world by systematically renewing the relational foundation of communities. In response to interest in this replicable social technology, CRI will construct the National Center for Community Renewal, a 260,000 square foot net zero green building located in downtown historic district of Shreveport, Louisiana, the community that is the learning laboratory for CRI's work. A new workforce will emerge from the training that occurs here. The learning process begins when we arrive at the National Center. As we enter the building, to the left of the elevator wall are videos showing what's going on around the world with community renewal, and also the information about the green technologies in the building. The ground floor functions as a town center for meetings and exchanging knowledge. The skylighted atrium is used as a solar chimney to generate power. To the left is the restored petroleum tower for 273 guest rooms. To the right is a new building for the Institute for Community Renewal and its training facilities. Stairs and elevators are located in the atrium between the two buildings. A roof plaza for outdoor gatherings is located at the 7th floor level above the new Institute for Community Renewal. Below the new building are wells for geothermal heating and cooling systems. An outdoor chapel is designed as a dependent structure as a place to reflect on the training experience. The plaza includes a hanging garden, which incorporates green roof technologies. Also, exercise facilities are located here. Rainwater will be captured and reused in the building. As we come back into the atrium and cross the bridge to the petroleum tower, learning and collaboration will occur formally through hands-on training and informally throughout the building. As we go by the elevators and into the petroleum tower, we find that this building is a narrow floor plate, short column spans, low floor to floors, and it's more suitable to housing. The rooms on each floor are organized around two shared living spaces. Whiteboard discussions and conversations around the kitchen table are part of the training process that occurs in these living areas. Bedrooms are designed to be small and comfortable. There are no TVs to encourage interaction in this family area, almost a front porch area. Each cluster symbolically functions as a neighborhood learning community. There are 26 clusters and 273 rooms. All the neighborhoods gather in larger training facilities of the Institute across the atrium. The materials selection, indoor air quality, lighting technology, gray water systems are all part of the green building features of the National Center for Community Renewal. As we turn to go back into the atrium, we'll see that the space is used not only for daylighting of the petroleum tower rooms that look into the atrium, but also the window walls provide photovoltaic solar collectors in a film that's applied in the glazing system. This is part of a hybrid system to generate power through solar, geothermal, and wind. At the top of the atrium is a chapel, as this is a spiritual learning process. The building is a symbol of renewal in both form and function. Learning from the past, symbolized by the petroleum tower restoration, designed by a famous architect, Dallas architect, Wyatt Hendrick in 1957, and then our acting on the present to change the world, symbolized by the new Institute building. And expecting a better future, to quote Daniel Burnham, aiming high in hope and work, symbolized by the atrium form. The National Center will add to the street value of what goes on downtown, more entries and sidewalks. It represents one hope, one dream, one community, as reflected in the band that goes around the building. The petroleum tower was a brownfield site filled with asbestos, and through the assistance of local, state, and federal agencies, monies were provided, and it's now ready for renovation. The location downtown will be served by public transportation, bicycle facilities, and it truly is a remarkable project in a remarkable place.